Welcome, today I am REALME GT Neo 2 and I'll show you how I can apply tempered glass on display in this phone. So for the first I'm gonna put on the phone this protective case to don't scratch the phone. And right now when you take a look on this display, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit to show you how it looks. You will spot that we got already installed protection here. You can remove this foil or leave it and apply on this foil the tempered glass to improve protection. So you have to also remember about the good lighting condition, because we have to see a very mess that we have on our display. In my case I can spot here fingerprints, dust and other greasy marks. Okay, and in the next step we are going to open the box with the tempered glass. Inside you will find the glass, and also we can find here these two wipes. Let me put this stuff back. Right now we got two wipes, wet and dry. We are going to use the wet at the first to remove this mess from the screen, so we can make it easier with the wet cleaning. As you can see, after a few moves we easily get rid of most of this mess. Next we have to grab dry wipe and also we have to clean our display. Okay, right now our screen is in the really good condition, so we can finally grab the tempered glass, and we have to remove this sticker. Grab it like that and then just easily remove. Remove it slowly. Hold the glass like that in your two fingers, and at the first you have to apply it on the upper section of the screen. So keep holding the bottom part and release upper section of the screen, of the tempered glass. Okay, so we have to apply it correctly for both edges, like that. Put your finger here and then just put the bottom part when everything's fine, and take a look. As you can see, it goes almost automatically. We can press it right here a little bit to make it faster, and there it is. Right now we have to remove these glue marks that are under the glass. That's very simple. Just take a look. We have to simply grab this this wipe and press on these marks. Take a look. As you can see, they disappear. So we have to make it for the whole screen, and that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, and right now when we finish, we can turn on the display and take a look. There is no other problem with the touch interaction. So honestly, you don't have to be afraid of applying this kind of the protection of your display. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.